Hello friends, welcome to another mind-boggling video. The most random YouTuber welcomes you all. As you have seen the thumbnail, today we are going to talk on a topic which has created a lot of hype all over the professional industry. Will AI actually take over your job? Before heading into the video, I want you guys to comment your thoughts below on this thing. Today, the answer is not between yes or no, but more like yes and no. Artificial intelligence can create circumstances to fire you from your job if you are not smart enough. But that's where human intelligence comes into play. Do you really think a machine can beat you in a career where you have excelled in so much time? The only thing which AI can do is to help in your job. Take my example. I write content for various clients and I have been doing this thing since a lot of time. It eventually increases my productivity and helps me to do multiple things at the same time. In fact, today I am making these videos with the help of AI technology. If this wouldn't have existed, I could never had a platform to influence people through my content. So, if you are someone who is afraid or having anxiety by seeing videos of people who are making money by creating hype, do not do this, my friend. AI will only take your job if you sit like this all the time and not enhance your skill set. This was all for today. I hope I was able to add some value. If you liked the video, do comment down your thoughts. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and rock on.